This is the new CamelBak collection filtered by LifeStraw, which means we can drink water without worrying about getting sick anywhere we're at. I'm really excited about this because I can use it on any of my CamelBak products. So I can use it with the Eddy bottle if I'm drinking out of a bottle. I can also attach this to a reservoir if I've got it in my CamelBak and I'm riding with it. And there's also the gravity kit so that you can hook this up, hang it from a tree at a campsite, and filter your water that way. First, the water goes through this hollow fiber membrane, which filters out 99.999% of waterborne illnesses, giardia, protozoa, and microplastics to keep you safe and feeling healthy. This filter is good for about 1,000 gallons or until water no longer flows through it. The LifeStraw for Reservoirs also has an activated carbon filter built in that helps make the water taste better. I always keep one of these in my CamelBak, so if I have to fill up at a stream while I'm out on a ride, I can trust the water and know that I'm going to stay safe. I took my family on a mountain biking trip to Ecuador this year. We used these to filter all the water we drank and never got sick with 3 weeks of riding there. These are awesome.